This Key Realty LLC property video is presented by Deborah Schwartz. Don't miss this 4-bed, 2-bath gem, tucked away in a tranquil cul-de-sac location. The open floor plan highlights the stainless steel kitchen with a generous island, a breakfast area and a living room. The seller is using the formal dining room as a den. There are plenty of options. The primary suite is spacious and has a separate tub and seamless shower. Entertain on the covered and uncovered patios. The large backyard is fenced. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Schwartz at 318-442-3300.